welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Classic Ani, and before anything, I just want to excuse my demeanor or my tone while doing this video because I was actually kind of shocked. So I'm going to be letting you guys letting you guys know the pros and cons before purchasing from Amazon. Okay, before you guys start coming at me, relax. Okay, I know that this is not every Amazon hair company that there is out there. I know this is probably just the one experience I have with this specific company that sells hair on Amazon. So please relax. I'm going to just be giving my input on the experience I had with my first Amazon hair unit. So this is the hair unit. Okay, honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I will say that it doesn't look that bad. It's just simply not what I was expecting. I wanted to do layers on this, and I didn't even cut the ends because I was trying to save the length as much as possible. I was told that this was an 18-inch hair wig, and I don't know about you guys, but this doesn't really look like 18 inches. But, you know what I mean? Of course, I'm gonna make it work. So this is a transparent hair unit. I honestly can say one of the pros was that it was extremely affordable. And I'm not gonna sit here and bash the company because they really reached out to me and sent this to me for free. And I'm extremely grateful, but I do wanna keep it honest with you guys. And this is unsponsored. So I'm just keeping it real. So, honestly, I really just wish it was a little bit more full. I mean, if your budget is $200, this is probably the best you're gonna get with this company. I did record the unboxing of the hair so you guys can see what came with it. This isn't a full frontal. This basically is just a T-part with a closure. So the hair goes like this. They give you a little hair on the edges, and then boom, it's a regular closure. Yeah, I feel like a little bit more volume, a little bit more voluminous. I can have a little bit more fun with it. But this is just I guess if you're on a budget, this is what you're gonna have to deal with, and it's what you're gonna have to get ordering from this specific hair company. And I am all for the budgeting, as I said before. But this is the close-up of how the lace looks. This is transparent lace. This is not HD. And lately I've been working with a lot of HD, so maybe I probably just spoiled myself into having high hopes that I can be able to blend this well. You guys be the judge. You know, I'm not a professional, but I try my hardest. If you guys see my other videos, you probably know that I'm entry decent, I swear. And also, it's for the plucking. This was not a pre-plucked wig, so I can't come at them for how it's plucked because I pretty much did as much plucking as I felt like I wanted to do comfortably. You know what I mean? It wasn't plucked at all. So it was one of those wigs that, you got to make it into what you have to make it into. So if you have that much time to sit there and pluck, most likely some girls do. They're very particular about their wigs. Some girls really don't want it pre-plucked because they want it to style it the way they want. Make sure that you read the reviews on certain hair companies that is true to length and things like that. Because if I really wanted 18 inches, which I think would have brought me at least to here, and then I got this instead, I'll be highly disappointed. It came in this box, and so I'm just gonna open it, and yeah. Between a burgundy, I believe, or a natural hair color. And I chose burgundy because I've been working with natural hair colors since the beginning of time. Why not? It is that was a wig cap, which it was a different kind of wig cap. Don't really use those kind. But yeah, so they did give me this band here. I'm assuming I can use it during my installation process, which is pretty new to me. And here is the actual unit, and they gave me an edge control brush, but we're gonna get to that later. Okay, we'll get to the complimentary items later. Y'all know me. This is my first time I will be installing a pre-dyed wig, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out when I bleach the knots, so I'm gonna record that process as well. But let me zoom in on the knots so you guys can see how Ivy Cocoa hair HD lace is. Let me see. I'm probably going to insert another video like I usually do, just so you guys can see a better view of how the HD lace looks. Doesn't have a really bad smell. It actually smells pretty decent. The actual lace, it's not really that thin. It's feeling like transparent lace, just the texture of it, but the actual sizes of the knots are actually really teeny and small. So the knots are giving HD, but the texture is giving transparent. So this is what the inside of the hair wig looks like. It's basically like that T-part closure wig, like that first West Kiss unit that I received has. It's basically giving me the edges and a lot of space to do a middle part straight to the back. So what I plan to do with this is basically layers and layer it. I'm not gonna do anything too fancy, just gonna be straight layers like the 90s. So yeah, so they got all the combs in there. They even got this strap right here. Okay, I'm about to have fun with that. So I have that nice snug fit. In all honestly, it's like the hair quality isn't bad at all. It's just that for 18 inches, I thought I would get a little bit more. This is really giving me like 12-inch, 14-inch vibe. We're really gonna see. I'm gonna try my best, and I'm really excited that they reached out to me. I'm not gonna try to sound grateful, but I'm gonna try my best, y'all. I promise you I am. Thank you so much, Ivy Coco here, but I'm going to keep it real with my audience. So yes, other than that, let's go ahead and see what happens. So this is me attempting to bleach the knots. Honestly, I didn't know if this was going to take or not, but I was hoping that it could, just so I could have that natural effect at the roots. But this is a pre-dyed unit, so I should have thought twice before I decided to do this, but I just thought this hair might have been different. I don't know why I thought that, but I probably could have read the description to see if it was bleachable or not, but I just went straight into it because I've been working with human hair and I'm just used to human hair bleaching on demand. But if this is permanent dye, I can totally understand why it did not fully take. So it made me have to go through other methods in order to get that blending going on. This is me just really pretty much styling, but I already did enough talking, so I'm just gonna be quiet. Yeah.